So in this Microsoft Word tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to insert a trademark sign or a trademark symbol in a document here on Microsoft Word. So the first thing you have to do is if you're on the Home tab, go right beside it to the top left, press on Insert, go all the way to the far right to where the Advanced Symbol button is right here, press on that. Now you're probably going to be greeted with the Symbols tab right here, but what you can actually do is just go to the right and press on Special Characters and then scroll down a little bit until you come across the trademark logo or the trademark icon right here. So the TM right here, press on that, then press on Insert. I'll go ahead here and insert it a couple times so you guys can see a whole bunch of different examples of it. Once that's done, I'll press on close like that. And there you go. I've now added a different, you've now added a bunch of trademark signs. So for example, if you wanted to do whatever, my name, and you want to trademark it, just add a little TM right there. And there you go. Nice and simple, pretty straightforward. So as I mentioned before, pretty easy process, but this is how to insert the trademark symbol or the trademark icon here on Microsoft Word. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.